Today, I am honored to introduce Legacy, the premium club deal that democratizes access to alternative investments. Our mission is simple: to open the doors of opportunities once reserved for a privileged elite and make them accessible to everyone. Let's start with a simple and undeniable fact: 99% of investors are locked out of the best deals. Why is that? Because entry tickets often start well above 100,000 euros, because bank returns struggle to reach 3%, while inflation in Europe sometimes climbs to 6%, because the most lucrative opportunities are reserved for a hyper-connected elite, and because the system still suffers from a painful lack of transparency. In short, the general public has been left out of the game. Legacy introduces a breakthrough: a tokenized club deal accessible from as little as 100 euros, exclusive access to high yield assets, atypical real estate, supercars, fine art, private equity, Web3 studios, and most importantly, a structured community governed by a DAO powered by professional infrastructures. The global market today represents a historic opportunity. On one side, we see the worldwide alternative assets market, valued at over $18 trillion in 2024, with an expected growth of 60% by 2030 according to Forbes. On the other, we are witnessing the rise of Web3 and tokenization. According to BCG, $16 trillion worth of real-world assets will be tokenized by 2030, with more than 420 million crypto users projected as early as 2028. It is within this momentum that our vision takes shape. Building a bridge between these two worlds, through the alliance of Legacy Grow and Alter Capital, we are developing a robust and forward-looking model. Our objective is crystal clear: to become the BlackRock of Web3 with $300 million in assets under management by 2027. Thus, in the face of a rapidly expanding market, we are not merely following the trend, we are creating the opportunity. Let's now talk about the credibility behind Legacy. Altior Capital. Altior Capital is Legacy Group's decentralized venture capital arm. Above all, it brings what every investor seeks: credibility backed by real and diversified investments. Specifically, Altior Capital invests in unconventional real estate, supercars and track days, art, fine watches and luxury luggage, premium studios, Pilates, and podcasts, not to mention tech and Web3 startups. And this is not just talk. Our community is already active in over 15 countries, with initial deals underway and strong strategic partners in place. When we say Altior Capital equals credibility, we mean that every legacy project is anchored in concrete, reliable, and value-generating assets, but more importantly, in tangible revenue streams that directly fuel Legacy and its nodes, ensuring a sustainable and powerful ecosystem. Discover concrete examples of Alter Capital's power with our premium podcast studios, located in the heart of Paris, in the prestigious 9th arrondissement. These studios are designed to meet the highest standards, hosting advertising agencies, YouTubers, TikTokers, influencers, Parisian celebrities, and anyone seeking to create podcasts of exceptional quality. This success is embodied by prestigious clients such as Sony, BNP Paribas, Orange, and many more. These strong collaborations are a testament to the trust and legitimacy of our infrastructure. Many of the creators you admire have chosen our studios to produce their content. This is an undeniable confirmation. What we offer is not hype. It's tangible, factual, and verifiable. You even have the address. You can come see for yourself. And if you're not in Paris, send someone to witness the solidity and strength of Alter Capital firsthand. We continue this momentum with Element A, a complex of apartment studios in Canada, offering breathtaking views of a lake surrounded by mountains and forests, a remarkable setting where luxury meets serenity. Again, verification is possible on site. The quality of this project is indisputable. Finally, be captivated by MP Racing, an exclusive offering of sports and hypercar rentals. Rent these vehicles for half a day or a full day and enjoy exceptional profitability, both for the company and for you personally. With Legacy Group, you join a business club focused on efficiency, profitability, and the tangible realization of ambitious projects. Don't miss this unique opportunity to become part of a solid, innovative, and lucrative venture. See for yourself, verify, feel the power of the tangible. Legacy Group is the future. It is happening now, and we have many more assets and will continue to invest in high potential, high yield properties. Legacy is built on 3 solid pillars: Altior Capital, credibility and real assets; Ventus Labs, technology with wallet, app, and fintech solutions; Altix Protocol, blockchain and DAO, ensuring transparency, security, and smart contracts. Together, these pillars form an architecture that connects the real world with Web3. At the heart of the ecosystem lies the ALX token. Correlated with the growth of assets under management, it provides access to staking, yields, DAO governance, and the best deals. Its impact is reinforced by strategic partners: Binance for crypto liquidity, BFM Business for visibility, HSBC and Barclays for financial credibility, and Euronext for the connection to traditional markets. The ALX token is therefore more than a digital asset. It is a solid bridge between Web3 and global finance. The legacy ecosystem is powered by a strong engine, up to 12% monthly passive returns, redistributed in ALX, digital ownership through exclusive NFTs, priority access to deals and events, and scarcity, with only 10,000 nodes available. The distribution of nodes will take place in 4 phases. Phase 1 in September at $1,000, Phase 2 in October at $1,500, Phase 3 in November at $2,000, and Phase 4 in December at $2,500. The goal is to raise $22.25 million with monthly redistributions to holders. We will launch the ALX token with a $30 million fundraising campaign. Each phase is limited in time and quantity, and it is the early adopters who stand to gain the most. In September 2025, the token price starts at $0.02, with an immediate potential to quintuple at listing. By the end of October, it reaches $0.04, a plus 150% increase. In November, it rises to $0.06 plus 67%, and in December to $0.08 plus 25%. In January 2026, the token will be publicly listed on Binance at 10 cents. The outlook is then clear: 50 cents by the end of 2026, $1 by the end of 2027, $3 by the end of 2028. In other words, an investor entering today at $0.02 could see their investment multiply by 150 by 2028. The ALX token is not just a digital asset. It is a structured, transparent, and powerful project designed to create a virtuous cycle of growth and opportunities. The time to act is now, to reap the rewards tomorrow. Legacy Group follows a clear and ambitious roadmap. 2025, launch of the ALX token, ALX nodes, and Legacy Hub app. Target, 100,000 members. 2026, global expansion with Legacy Card, offices in Dubai, Paris, Miami, and Singapore. Target, $150 million in assets and 500,000 members. 2027, leadership confirmed with a global marketplace, investment fund, and international conventions. Target, $300 million in assets and 1 million members. 2028, the ultimate milestone, IPO on Nasdaq and Euronext, creation of Legacy Bank, and a target of $500 million in assets with 5 million members. Legacy Group, a vision, controlled growth, and a future already in motion. Joining Legacy is simple. With the Legacy Card, accessible from just $100, every member gains access to the best deals, tools to grow their community, and increasing benefits according to their status, whether gold, diamond, or higher. In developing countries, access is even more inclusive, with entry starting at only $50. It is an open door for everyone, leading to exclusive opportunities and unlimited growth. Imagine an ecosystem where your investments don't just grow. With Legacy Group, you earn from every investment, every node or token exchanged, and every transaction within the ecosystem. And that's not all. Take advantage of our privileged referral system, an opportunity designed to turn your network into a sustainable and profitable source of income. Let's explore this together. Legacy Global Performance Pool. Invest, multiply, earn. Our model is based on a system of balanced flows, a client acquisition bonus, and a 3-tier allocation, ensuring both stability and performance. Yields are balanced, ranging from 14% to 24% depending on rank, offering an attractive and transparent potential. Commissions are simple and advantageous. 60% in USDT, immediately withdrawable. 40% in ALX, staked over 12 months to generate additional returns. Furthermore, points and payouts are calculated and distributed every 12 hours, meaning you are paid twice a day, ensuring speed, consistency, and transparency in your earnings. Our acquisition and allocation model is both simple and effective. Legacy cards and ALX nodes, 20% direct bonus, split 60-40, no structured allocation. Investor vouchers, 15% on level 1, plus structured allocation of 2.5% on level 2, 1.5% on level 2-3, and 1% on level 4. Crypto lists and legacy travel, 50% bonus on level 1, plus up to 5% on level 2, 3% on level 3, and 2% on level 4. Every product fits into a coherent strategy, combining immediate rewards with long-term structured allocation, maximizing both individual motivation and collective growth. ALX nodes, a true gateway to recurring performance-backed returns. Each access, ranging from $100 to $50,000, automatically generates a bonus equal to 12% of the invested amount. Nodes are scalable according to your ambitions, from $100 to $50,000, with a full node set at $1,000. This bonus is then distributed in a balanced manner. 60% in USDT, immediately liquid, and 40% in ALX token, creating lasting value and exponential growth potential. In other words, the higher your commitment, the greater your gains. combining the security of a stable asset with the power of a growing token. It's a simple, transparent model designed to provide every investor with a steady stream of performance while building sustainable value over time. And this is just the beginning. You will also discover the unique benefits reserved for founders, available from $50,000 of commitment. Join a private circle of visionary investors today. Gain access to exclusive recurring returns backed by the performance of the ecosystem. Access is limited and reserved for investors who meet specific criteria. Become a founder and join the Legacy Founder Equity Pool. 3 options are available, each at $50,000. Acquire a legacy card, purchase nodes, invest as a park investor. Founders enjoy unique privileges: 5% of net profits distributed each quarter, an exclusive share in the Founders Equity Pool, and recurring income guaranteed by overall ecosystem performance. The higher you progress, the greater your benefits. Executive, National Director, International Director, Senior Vice President, each status unlocks higher balanced flows and additional rewards. The future of alternative finance is being built today. The question is simple: do you want to be a player or a spectator? With Legacy, you have the opportunity not only to write your own story, but also to join an exclusive ecosystem that goes far beyond financial performance. Legacy Group also offers privileged access to top-tier training in cryptocurrency, trading, personal development, and much more. The unique privilege of enjoying the benefits of the world's best travel hub, allowing you to travel anywhere at the best price with unmatched flexibility. By joining Legacy, you are not just entering a project, you are becoming part of a community of visionary investors, entrepreneurs, and leaders ready to shape the future. Thank you for your attentive listening. For more information, please contact the person who shared this presentation with you directly.